Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss some idioms that you can see on screen. These idioms are used to describe a person. You can use these idioms in your daily conversation and speaking module of IELTS exam. So without wasting time, let's begin. First idiom is goldfish. Goldfish means a person who seems unemotional and unfriendly. In Punjabi, it means pathardil. Next idiom is lone wolf. Lone wolf means a person who prefers being alone. If someone enjoys his own company, then we can call that person a lone wolf. Next idiom is dark horse. Dark horse means a person about whom little is known but who unexpectedly wins or succeeds. In Punjabi, it means Shuparustam. Next idiom is nerd. Nerd means someone who is very interested in science or technology. Then we can call that person nerd. Next is busybody. Busybody means a person who is too interested in the affairs or life of other people. Next idiom is slave driver. Slave driver means a person who makes others work very hard. Next is big mouth. Big mouth means a person who reveals secret of other people. Next is wimp. Wimp means a weak person, someone who lacks confidence. Next is cheapskate. Cheapskate means a person who does not like spending money. In other words, miser. Next idiom is behind the times. A person who does not have knowledge of current styles or ideas. In other words, old fashioned. So you can use these idioms to sound like a native speaker, but please use these idioms in your daily conversations, otherwise, it would be difficult to remember. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.